vulture, circling his prey to pray that one of those corpses might think I'm beautiful. One of those dead, disparaged animals might find pleasure in the slightest peck. They'll no longer be deaf to my voice, but welcome it with open ears. God, I am a prophet, screaming a message that everyone knows is a lie, yelling my spite and vitriol and damnation to a crowd of 1,000, planting my seeds of self-indulgent irony to take its place as the opiate of the masses. Jesus, I am an arrogant son, looking on my brother with revulsion when he comes home to be with Dad. My father is ecstatic because his little boy's returned a little beat up but more humbled than ever. I want all that glory. I want them to see my passion. You took it all away from me. You tear and you break and you kill all my dreams. You said that you were the Messiah, but what should that mean to me? You give and you take and you mold and you obliterate, but what should any of that mean to me? So I'll spit and I'll cuss and I'll spew venom out into the pews to defame the name of the King of the Jews. I hate you and you love me just the same. God, I want to stop playing games. I want to love, and I want to know. I want a free ride. I just want show. Create in me a clean heart, O God. I've been wrapped up in myself for way too long. Heal my ugliness, beautifier. I need you. I need you like I need the sun to shine in, to warm, to color my frail, pale skin. I'm captive, a melancholy prisoner of my sin. Christ be the light. Yahweh, please mend. I'm broken.